Good morning. Today we are looking at the ULANZI CU01. The ULANZI CU01 is a cooler for your camera. It's a fan, it's a heat sink, it's also an electronic cooling device. So I would call it a air conditioner, if you will, or a refrigerator for the back of your camera. It's an electronic device that uses what I researched that's called the Peltier effect, where voltage going across a conductor can create cold and heat. So it pulls the temperature from one side to the other, and then the heat sink takes it out of the way. So it comes in a nice package, well packaged with a user manual. It also has this removable battery. Now they make some different ones, and I almost bought the wrong one. I almost bought the one with the internal battery, which I really liked, but it didn't have this refrigeration system, this electronic refrigeration system. Those are my words, not theirs. So we have a battery. There comes fully charged with 4 lights indicating fully charged, magnets on the back of it, pins on the back of it, so that it can just sit right onto the device. And the device here, this is the internal fan heat sink assembly electronic cooler. Fits my Sony camera, excellent. It's got a nice tab to go under where the flip out screen is, and you can check to see if it fits your camera. Now I'm in Florida, so I have to deal with a lot of heat, and if I leave the camera run for a certain amount of time, it will time out by overheating, even though I have that on override. So it has that spring-loaded bar. There's the heatsink fins inside, totally covered, the fan on the inside. It's really a nice unit. It's well packaged, premium packaged. The price was $49, and I can't complain one bit. Now, so you've got the indicators, you've got when it sits on the back just like that. It's just so intuitive. I mean, well designed. This package was well designed. So I didn't show you the C charging cable, but it has a charging cable. Not a big deal. So here's how it fits on the back of my ZV-E10, and it would fit your Sony the same way, most likely, or whether you have a Canon or other cameras, it's pretty similar. So it has a tab. This tab goes right in underneath the screen, just like this, and then you compress the spring, push it in, and then it sits on the camera just like that. Very, very nice fit and quick and easy to take on and off. So I'm liking it. I like how it fits. I like the concept. I like the mechanics. Now I'm a mechanic, and I used to have to work on vehicles that had cooled seats, electronically cooled seats, so I understand the theory behind how it works, how it pulls the heat. But in a nice small package like this, with an external battery, or you can use a external power pack in that USB-C port right there. This is the battery, removable battery. This has a cooling fan. It has a built-in heat sink. It has a electronic device to transfer cold to the back side of the fan where the fan can remove the heat. So it changes from, it makes cold in the back and it removes it by pumping the heat out. It's a little mini heat pump. Spring loaded, snaps into your camera. It's got 2 positions, position 1, position 2, and auto. Let's see, put the battery on, only goes one way, connects with the magnets, lights up like that. And you just turn this button on, and you got 3 positions. Now what I want to try to demonstrate is temperature-wise. So I just brought this from inside the office, so it's 88. Well, there it's 90. 89, 90, it's 91. It is definitely warm, and this is morning time. So I'm going to turn it on speed 2, and we are going to check it out now. See if I can demonstrate. I'm leaving the plastic. Look, it's already down to 75, 69, 64, 62, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54. Now if you go around here a little bit, you see some variation. I can feel the fan working. So you got a super hot day and you got 50 in the 50s on the back of this thermal pad. So this thermal pad will transfer the heat from the back of your camera to the heat sink and then out the vents. So let's see what we're bringing out of the vent. 104 degrees, 100, 97, 98, 102. So there is a big variance between the cold side and the hot side. Now, let's check decibel wise. So decibel wise, we're running about, without me talking, 57. And we're looking at 61. 61. And we're on the second speed. 61. So without the fan, about 56. So the fan is very quiet. Now your camera might pick it up. We are filming with the ZV-E10 with the ULANZI on the back. The ULANZI cooling system that uses a Peltier electronic thermo device. Peltier being the phenomenon of electricity that can cool something, which I think is really neat. And I'm getting power directly from the Crane M3. Right there, Crane M3. That's right. Welcome to my channel. Say it.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Say hello guys, welcome to my channel.